actions inside of workflows to work with ClickUp without making an API, this is the video for you. So what we have here is, I created here just called ClickUp Workflow Actions. So here's a list of all of the different actions that we can have. And I'm going to go over just a few of them in this video. Okay, just give you a quick preview as you would want to roll through these. And the last one is a note. So fire is based off of trigger, and then one is it wants to create, you want to create a ClickUp task. Now these are added just like any other workflows. I'll show you that here real quick. So if you want to go over here, just do a quick search right here. So these instantly become available once you connect the application, and they just simply work. Create a task. We've connected this sub account to another ClickUp account itself, and this is just a simple action. Now anybody that's going to go through these, you're going to notice with ClickUp, these are a lot of the inputs that you need to do with a task, right? So you just set them up inside of HighLevel itself in the workflow. Now, update a task, one of these actions is, again, since we've connected to another actual ClickUp account, what it's doing is it's going to pull in the existing tasks, the task IDs that are out there. So then that way, whether you want to update a task, delete a task, add to a task, you can do it once this integration, and it works really slick. I'll just quickly go through this list here. You can delete a task, remove a tag from a task, create a tag, update tag, delete a tag entirely, add a tag to a task, right? Delete a space, create a folder, update the folder, delete folder, create a list, update list, delete the list, add tasks to list, remove tasks from list. You can actually create a new space entirely. You can update the space. And then the last action here is what we have is we can actually pull the data back, and what we're doing with this is we're updating the notes to the actual contact itself, as you can see here. So we're just saying what actions did we take, and we're updating that, as well as the message, or if it brings back an error from ClickUp, we're going to get a report where we're able to go and diagnose exactly what happened with that. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, or you can click the link below this video to get a trial for this app, as well as all of the other apps that we have.